Let's take a look at how to create maps in Tableau. We'll get started, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear it out real quick so I can actually show you how to do this. First thing you want to do, let's throw state onto rows. After you do that, you should get this show me area on the right. You'll see that a map takes up to 0 to 2 measures in one dimension. So we're just going to ignore that right now and click this. This will show your map, but it may look a little bland. It's not necessarily measuring anything. So what we need to do is we need to create a measure. All you have to do is throw profit, for example, from here, and then it will show. You can also do this with discounts, which has nothing, and quantity, which also has a little bit. But right now, profit's what we're looking at. Here you can see this map. Now this map actually goes a little bit further. You can actually take the colors and change them. So maybe you don't like this color and you want to do Christmas colors or kind of red light, blue light, yellow light colors. And here we have right here is we can have a lighter color. It's whatever you want. So that's the cool thing about Tableau. You can even reverse those colors like that. That's going to let you reverse them for whatever you're trying to do at any given moment in time. You may want to show blue if it's a lower number and red if it's really profitable. So right here, we also have the ability to add some additional stuff. We could add a map layer. So let's drag city in there. That's going to add those cities in there so we know where our cities are. So we can see how those states are doing with those dots with the cities. We can even make those larger, smaller, etc. depending on what we want to see there. I think right about there works. Furthermore, we can go back to state and we can change the map layers. So let's go up here and change those map layers. So we got our map, background maps. You actually make it a dark map, which shows those layers on a dark map. We also see that there's 353 unknown. I'm assuming that's the locations. We can filter that data or we can edit it. But let's go back up here and see we can do a street map. A little kind of a happier type map, as you can see right there. And we can do some other background maps like outdoors. Just kind of test out those maps up here. Additionally, we have background layers where you can go choose, let's say, that light color that we saw. We can add base layers. They default right about there, but you can take them out. A lot of times you don't need all these layers. Just know you can choose these layers and kind of take a look at those. You can also see our sizing, so you can like increase the size based upon what we're looking at here for some profit of those states. So you can see that right here, and you can just hold down control and you can see different profits and things like that. And Tableau is a great way of doing that. So definitely just play around with this. Colors and size will get you pretty far. These two maps right here, and you can go between these two maps depending on what you want to see.